Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so very much for being here. Friends, I have another Temu haul to share with you. I'm so excited. So this is going to be so many fun things to show you. I'm just like literally just so thrilled about it all. So I want to give a big thank you to Temu again for collabing with me. Again, I will put all of the information, important information, the link to Temu with my coupon code and also the coupon code for 30% off. Again, either way works to get that additional 30% off, and all the important information you may need will be in my description box below me. First thing I want to show you how it looks. It's beautiful. It's a desk lamp. It is a USB charging touch lamp, crystal table lamp. We'll put a screenshot for you guys, a little picture here next to me of this that looks, you can see it on the website how it looks. Now, I did write down the price. This one is going to be $14.48. And again, that $14.48 will work with additional, you can actually, it'll be $14.48 minus 30%. So I just want to mention that, like, these deals are so amazing. It says suitable for living room, study room, bedroom, and atmosphere making. It really does provide beautiful ambient lighting. Beautiful ambient lighting. I'm like, when I plugged it in, I was like, whoa, like it's so pretty. So, and it provides a lot of light for the size it is. Let me go ahead and take this out here. Isn't that gorgeous? It looks like a rainbow. It's beautiful. It's like, it looks like crystal. I think it's like a plexiglass type material. And it's just like literally like the rainbow. It's just so pretty. And the base has this beautiful design, and it's just, it's so unique. Comes with switch right here and to plug it in the wall. And actually you can put it in your computer too. So it has, you can plug it into your computer. It came like this. So I plugged it in my computer and it worked fabulously. So I have it plugged in. So here we go. Isn't that, look at this, you guys. So on and off, okay. And let me go in closer so you can see. It's like iridescent, you know? And it provides beautiful, like my room, I don't know if it's gonna show, but it like projects this beautiful like pattern on the wall of like the crystal. It is so pretty. Okay, so then it has that option. Then it can change, let's see, different like cool to warm lights. See that? That's the warm. And then cool. And then you can go a little dimmer. And then, or you can bring it up a little brighter. It's so pretty. Okay, so I have only one light in front of me on. I want to show you this, how beautiful this is. I mean, it is just so nice and bright. And it's again, very nice ambient lighting. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's super pretty. Like, I think it's really pretty. I love turning it because this room that I'm in has like, projects the shapes on the wall, but gorgeous piece here. Next up, I want to show you is this. Oh, okay. So if you've been with me on my channel for a while, you know I wear my hair up a lot. I like to wear my hair down when I do it, but a lot of times I just wash my hair at night and let it air dry, and then then I wear it up. It's just easy for me to do, like wash and go. But so I always like to wear fun hair clips because I like having my hair up. It's comfortable. It's out of my way. So, but yeah, this is so beautiful. So now this is called the Plush Flower Hairpin. Again, I'll include a picture in the where I'm at here, but this is so pretty. So I'm actually taking it out of the package for the first time. This was $1.88, you guys, and this is so precious. It looks perfect for like springtime. It has a bunch of different color options to choose from. It's made of felt, super soft. It has like a claw like this to put it in your hair. And actually, I'm gonna try it on for you guys and show you it in my hair. It dresses up an outfit. It's like an accessory for your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and show you what it looks like. And there it is. So super cute, lightweight. And again, it comes in a bunch of colors. I love it, you guys. Next up is, you're gonna see why I ordered this too, but I wanted makeup brushes, cosmetic brushes. So these come in a bunch of different colors as well. These were 20-piece makeup brush set, $3.48. I love this beautiful green color. It's so pretty. Each of the brush is individually wrapped. So I'm so excited to have these. They're just beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. 20 pieces for $3. Under $4 for 20 pieces. Oh, and there's even like an eyebrow brush in there. Look at that. Like an eyebrow brush. I also got this, you guys. Okay, so I'll put a picture. I can't find the 50 piece. This is a 50 piece, but it's sold in the 25 piece set. Excuse me, 24 piece set is on, I'm going to attach a picture here on the website. This is a 50 piece set, but the 24, again, was a little bit more than, because it's 50 pieces, but the 24 piece set, just like this, is $3.78. I think that's around $9, I want to say. I'm not 100% sure, I can't remember. They're butterfly picks, perfect for like crafting, to put some like color in your garden, and a bouquet of flowers that you're gifting somebody, or even like a really pretty plant, like a house plant. You put this butterfly pick in there. You guys know I love butterflies. Like, I'm all about the butterflies. So yeah, they have a little bit of like a spring, so they will have a little bit of movement. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Check that out, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Perfect again for bouquets, floral arrangements. They're all different color butterflies in here. They're made of like probably like a plastic material, and they open up like that. And I like that they have a green stem, so they, you know, blend in with like, you know, the garden. So all you'll see is like, looks like the butterflies flying around. It is so, so nice. I just love butterflies. And there's just so many color options, so many different ones in here. Here we go. Here's another one. It's like wanting to move because it's got that spring. This blue one, this solid blue one. Look at this one too. Here's the back side. I have rose bushes by my window, and they're white roses. They're so pretty. So I'm going to put these in there. It's going to be so pretty. The next thing I want to show you is this. This is such a cool device. It's a soap holder, self-draining. It's $1.18, friends. $1.18. So you see how it has this little like little spigot or whatever. I don't know the exact term for that. So yeah, the soap, the water won't just like sit in there after you use your bar soap. And it's just has the little grooves right there, so the soap isn't sitting directly in the plate. It's just really nice. So that like the soap can dry, like in between uses. But there it is. That's genius. The next thing I got was this hair clip. This is called the Peacock Pearl, Rhinestone Pearl Peacock, excuse me. This was $2.08. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and try it on for you guys. It's got the rhinestones, it's got the bling, what I love. So here we have it. It opens up like this. Has both pearls and rhinestones, so like rows of pearls and rhinestones. There we go. So here we go, friends. Probably like shedding my hair, but I do want to show you. This is what it looks like. I got this. I thought this was really cool for traveling. These are pull-out clean soft towels. They are $3.98. It says select comfortable and skin-friendly materials, dry and wet, dual use, and they're, you know, so they're disposable face towels, and they're in a roll. I like that it has like a, you know, a carrying bag for it. Here they are, you guys. Isn't that so cool? I love that idea. Then I got another shag heart rug. Okay, so you saw my first haul from Temu. I got the like really bright pink one. So I got this one, like it's like a dusty rose. I can't wait to open it. This one was $6.48. Look at that. Oh, that's right. I didn't order. Okay, you know what? I ordered a heart one or circle one. I'm sorry. That is right. I totally forgot. So the circle one is, I think it's also $6.48. So I got this for my daughter to put on her chair so she can sit on it. I thought that would be a really cute idea. So yeah, I love this. Yeah, so it's like the heart one, right? But it's a circle. And it's a really pretty like dusty rose color. And then here's the backing of it. I love that idea. It's like really cute and decorative to put on your chair, like a chair cushion almost. These were $1.34. Aren't those so pretty? So these are press-on nails. They have so many options to choose from. So I really, really love these. They're so pretty. They have a teddy bear, yeah, on them and like ribbons. Here we go, friends. I hope that helps. The little ribbons. Then I got this little gnome. It's so cute. I think he was, or she, how much was this gnome? So it's called the Gnome Plush Doll Valentine. I believe it was $3.78. Now, I think it could work for Valentine's Day and also Easter. I feel like it can be both. I feel like this is an Easter gnome because it's got Easter bunny ears. But I'm going to keep it up for Valentine's Day because it's so cute because it's pink. And yeah, I think this is more like an Easter bunny gnome. Look at how cute. They also have another style gnome with this. So there's two sold and like they match each other. I love the pattern of her outfit. Yeah, she's a little Easter bunny. She's got little Easter bunny feet there at the bottom. Her hat is a very like minky, like very soft textured little hat there. Like almost like a baby's blanket. Then I ordered some earrings. So these are going to be only $1.19 and they're pearl like long earrings. So they look like this before I try them on. They're very long. These would be like a date night or wherever you want. You could wear them during the day, go in the grocery store. You guys know me. I always like to dress up my jewelry. Like I'm always like trying to, I just love layering jewelry and all that. So any time of the day is a good time for jewelry for me. Oh, I love the link. It's so pretty. The length is just, it's so pretty. And they're light, you guys. And they add like, I feel like it makes my, neck look longer. I just love these earrings. They're so cute. Okay, so this is called the Desktop Decor. This is so much fun. Okay, so this comes in a bunch of different colors and it's $25.48. And this is so calming to look at. Here we go. Right here. I chose the blue one, the blue sand, and it's got gold in it as well, like glittery gold. It has a stand. And here's the stand. It's a plastic stand and it goes in here like this. Let me turn it this way actually. You guys, isn't that amazing? Okay, so it is, I think it's glass. I'm pretty sure that is glass. But you can see what's happening here, the sand, and it's gonna make different pictures every time you turn it around. It's just so relaxing, so like zen. I love it. Again, the gold coming through there. I hope it shows on camera. There is gold, like flakes of gold in there, like glitter, mixed with the blue. And there's like, it looks like there's like, might be 2 shades of blue. And I mean, I could look at this all day. It's so gorgeous. When you turn, you could even have it like this and have 2 different like, you know, pictures there. And it's just really pretty. See how it's like falling down here and down here. And I'm loving this. The next thing I want to show you is this heart clip. This is so cute. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Again, it's blinged out. I love all the rhinestones on there. Oh, that's so pretty with the rhinestone hearts. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try it on now for you guys. Isn't that so cute? I love it. Like, I love getting like fun, different hair clips. This one, this rhinestone heart one is going to be $1.49 only. $1. It's amazing. Next up is, again, I ordered some more hair clips because I love them. This one has like this 50s vibe to it as well. This one is a really pretty blue color. Okay, and this one is called the Opal Hair Claw. It is $1.68. That's so cute. Again, it looks like jewelry. Beautiful blue. So there it is. This one, again, I ordered another hair clip. All right, look at that one. Isn't that so pretty with the little dangly, you know, it looks again like almost like a necklace. It's just so pretty with the rhinestones and the pearls at the bottom. Isn't that so cute? I like the little dangly things. Just super fun. I got one more hair clip because I had to. This is a Tulip. This is so precious. It's $1.52. And I can't wait to try this one on. And it's a beautiful pink tulip, perfect again for springtime. I mean, the details are so good. Like even the whole top part of the clip is, you know, they made that look like a part of the stem of the tulip. And there it is. The tulip is in my hair. Now, the next thing I want to show you is, it's huge. Like this is, it came shipped by itself because it's so big. Here we have it, this big box. Okay, this, here it is. This big box, okay, has a cosmetic organizer in there. And I am like so excited about it, you guys, like so excited. And it looks like it's from like the 1950s. So I'm like, yes, love it. It comes in 2 colors. And let me go ahead and show you. I'm so excited. It has a lot of good reviews online for this one as well. Now it has its own box. So here is the box, okay? So it looks like this. Oh my gosh. You guys, I feel like I'm back in the 1950s. Like this would be like my grandma's makeup cosmetic case. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Look at this. Doesn't this look so vintage? Ah, so beautiful. Look at the gold feet. It opens up here. Okay, so we opened here. And then I can put little, you know, whatever I want in there. Like compacts or blushes, or this could even be a jewelry case if you wanted. Really, sky's the limit on this one. Look at this side. It opens up. So you could put your lipsticks here. Look at that. And then it has a place for let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe, let's see, 6, probably 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then maybe some brushes. So about 10 lipsticks and some brushes possibly. And then on this side, this opens up, these little arms open up, and they're also little trays. So you can put more jewelry in there or cosmetics. In the front, it has little pull-out drawers. So like I literally could put like that in there, like my earrings, and there we go. Here's the back side of it. Here's the back. That is it for this haul for Temu, my part 2 haul. I'm so thankful to be working with Temu again, collabing. So much fun. Thank you, Temu, again for letting me pick these out. It's just so much fun. I would love to hear what you guys have in your shopping cart, any ideas for me to order for my next order from Temu, and what your favorite thing is I hauled this time from this, you know, this haul here. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll put all my coupon codes. Again, my code for this haul is going to be mini239. So again, mini239 for 30% off. And the link I'll also put in my description. That'll take you right over to Temu. That'll also, either way you shop it, you can put the code in or use the link to get you the 30% off when you check out. So you have 2 options that way if you'd like to get that 30% off. And again, I'll put any other important information below in my description box. Again, thank you friends so much for joining me. And I will see you all very, very soon. Okay, so till next time, take care. God bless you always, always. And I'll see you soon, friends. Bye for now.